Well, folks, I don't think we were filming on my last segment, but hey, I'm going to dedicate this episode to Big Smitty, my buddy from the Valkyrie forum. I hope the audio is working on this, and the video for that matter. Rick, Roy, and I are cruising up the Blue Ridge Parkway. It's about an hour and a half west of Richmond. We rode out here this morning, got some lunch. Now we're headed north up to a little town called Front Royal. And my God, it's a beautiful day. Absolutely perfect for riding. Earlier today, I had a riding jacket on, and it was just keeping me warm enough. It's heated up a little bit now, so I don't really need it. And I'm very comfortable in this flimsy long sleeve shirt. Rick's moving pretty fast up here. He told me earlier to keep to the speed limit, that's whatever's posted. But he's moving a little faster than the speed limit. But that's alright. I'm keeping up. Rick's got a beautiful Valkyrie. It's the blue model. It's got everything you could possibly want on that bike and more. He's got the saddlebags, a windshield, rearview mirror extenders, highway pegs, heel toe shifter, just everything you could want. Backrest, luggage rack. It's a beautiful machine. Another biker. Lots of bikers out today. I mean, you could not have picked a more beautiful day to ride. I got to give credit to Rick, man. He really picked a good couple of days to go. I haven't ridden this far in years. I mean years, not since I was in my 20s. And it feels good to be out on the road and enjoying the weather. Excuse me. Everybody else is in the office working, staring at spreadsheets, and for once in my life, I get to get out and enjoy the day. It's a lovely thing. I guess you can see my thermos right here. I picked that up on Amazon, 17 bucks. It's got a screw-off cap and I don't know if you can see it, a flip open and closed lid, and it keeps your drink hot or cold inside for 15-16 hours. So whether it's coffee or water or whatever, it's really a nice thermos. So when we pull off, I can take a quick sip. We had lunch down in Waynesboro earlier. Took a nice break, about halfway. This road is thick with deer and bears and who knows what. But so far, we have yet to see a single deer, bear, or anything else. Earlier, I did see a big old black snake crawling under a boulder. And I got to apologize for the windscreen again, if I already said it. God, we hit a lot of bugs today. That screen was spotless when I left Richmond, as was the rest of the bike. Rick was commenting earlier how bright my headlight was, and as you can see, I've got the brights on. Somebody, I think at a dealership, told me to keep the brights on during the day and the regular lights on at night, which is completely opposite of what you do in the car. Oh well. Lots of good pull-offs here to see the scenery. I'll tell you, the views from this mountaintop are phenomenal. I just hope we don't see any deer running out in front of us. That'll be the worst possible thing. Rick said this morning, the good thing about riding with another Valkyrie rider is that they can keep up with you. We had a pretty nice leisurely ride all morning, and man, it's so nice and cool out. It feels great. This is one of the best rides I've ever been on. Dundo. I wish we had time to stop at every single beautiful overlook, because man, they are something else. We got places to go and things to do. Look at that. Isn't that something? America the Beautiful. I tell you, you gotta love the power on these bikes. I mean, we're cruising along 50 miles an hour at 2,000 RPMs. I mean, it's just effortless cruising. And that's the beauty of the 1800cc flat six, baby! Got her up about 72 there. I like to open it up every once in a while, just for fun.